Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko. I am the owner and creator of the Mosaic nail systems, and today I would like to show you how to apply gel polish like a pro. Properly applied gel polish looks very natural, like a classical nail polish, but to achieve this elegant look you need to apply it correct. There are special solutions you want to start with for perfect and long-lasting manicure. First is starter. Starter liquid is a degreasing agent. It cleans everything away. Freshener removes all the moisture excess. Bondex provides a super adhesion of base coat with a natural nail plate. It is more strong than regular primer, and I suggest to use this one with the gel polish. Now we proceed to the base coat. Architect X is a medium viscosity base coat that you can also use to smooth any natural nail very quickly. It is not runny and very comfortable in application. Start on the edge of the nail, cap the free edge first, and then apply it down from the cuticle. If you need to smooth the natural nail, you can make the base coat layer thicker. Apply a thicker coat in the center of the nail and leave the remaining to gravity. Base coat, like other gel polish related products, has tacky layer. For better color coat application, I suggest to partly wipe tacky layer off using a dry gel builder brush. Before we start with the color, I will show you how to pick up it correctly. I am using an aristocratic red color by Mosaic from UV Lux series. It is a hybrid gel polish, so it is feather light like a nail polish and as durable as gel. A fusion of best options from both worlds. Remove the excess of product using the neck of the bottle. You want a color coat to be applied very accurately, without flowing to the sides or edge. When it is flowing to the sides, it makes a nail look wider and thicker, and this is definitely not what you want. To prevent the flows, start application from the edge. Color the edge, cap it, and then work down from the cuticle. Color coat is quite liquid, so make sure you keep the nail parallel to the bottom of the lamp. Thumb has an individual approach. Color it and cure separately from other. Hold it parallel to the bottom of the lamp. The top coat application is also very important. Start from the edge, cap it, and apply the rest. Don't apply it too thick. Better apply 2 times if needed. Remove the tacky layer with super shine liquid to make the top coat more glossy. Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic nail systems.